Hi guys. You guys thought I was gonna be gone for like a week or two. No, the video's here. As you guys can see, quickly, long story short, I just got my hair done by my really good friend Maribel. I'm so excited because this is literally the hair that I've been waiting to grow and to put extensions in since that was October. So if y'all watching at home right now, you guys already know how excited you would get if you get like hair extensions. Like, oh my god, I love it. So hi guys, it's the new Kimora. It's me. You guys already know this makeup beauty line is new. Ariana Grande, R.E.M. Beauty. I have it in the studio. First of all, what does R.E.M. stand for? Let me just go ahead and make double check because I really don't know what this stands for. I was trying to figure it out the other day, but R.E.M., what is that? What is that? So as I'm looking on Google, I put R.E.M. Beauty. R.E.M. Beauty basically means rapid eye movement, focusing on dreams and focusing on the eyes, and eyes being kind of our best ways to articulate better than you can with words sometimes. I feel like this is like really deep for a beauty line. Sure, rapid eye movement. So basically, Ariana Grande releases this R.E.M. Beauty. She wants to focus on the eye. She kind of want to focus on things, and I feel like that's what all makeup brands do. I don't really understand that part, but I mean, kudos to her. There's a lot of pros and cons about this collection. A lot of pros and cons about the brand from what I see. You guys know I mean, obviously, I am a really big, not big, but I am an Ariana Grande fan. I'm not like die hard. I do enjoy her music. I do enjoy her. I think she's so adorable. I do like her music. I definitely think she is like the generation right now. For me, she's a little young. I'm not blasting her music in my car. That being said, I was so excited to see a new makeup line. You guys already know, I love new makeup brands. Like I mean, I know a lot of people are always like, oh my god, we have so many makeup brands, but I'm like, we do, but they also send out the same thing. So when you see a new celebrity or a new person or someone, whoever releases a makeup line, I'm always interested to see where it goes. It's always either a hit or miss for me the first time they launch things. So that being said, you guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. That does help out a lot. And if you guys are coming back, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimora. I mean, the new Kimora. I think I need a new name. Like, I don't know. I don't feel like Kimora. I feel like someone else. So as we have it here, you guys, R.E.M. Beauty. Let's just go ahead and talk about like the colors. Like I obviously love a good gray. I love a good neutral moment. I love the vibe. I mean, I think as a PR case, this is cute. It's very standard. It's not something like, oh my god, you know, I know a lot of top celebrities received a different PR package where they had like the actual astronaut helmet and all that. You know, little basic people like us, you know, the ones that actually will show off the makeup and wear the makeup and really be the brand. I feel like we deserve the top of the PR stuff. I don't think Kim Kardashian deserves, you know, the top line. I think all the beauty gurus need the actual PR. We need to be excited. We're the ones spending money. We're the ones like advertising it more. But like I said, who am I to know what people deserves, right? I mean, this is a pretty basic box. It's nothing really exciting. I don't think it's like, oh my god, I'm gonna remember this for the rest of my life. You know, and I think when it comes to like the PR world, I think it's really important that because every brand is doing PR, I feel like a lot of brands need to really invest in their PR packaging and really get people excited, because as an influencer or someone that loves makeup like myself, I get excited by the way it looks. That's really gonna pump up my like blood for the collection. When I receive a PR package like fucking whack, it really does kind of just tells me like, wow, you know, like thanks for caring. It's like when you get a present and someone doesn't really wrap it nice, like ew. Now anyways, it's a very basic PR box. I mean, I love the vibe. She does show off what she has inside. So there's looks like a eyeshadow palette, a little mascara, and a lip product. So basically, oh, there's also clear lip gloss, there's eyelashes. So very basic lineup. It's not something like OMG. I'm just gonna be honest here, you guys, like girl, we have it. We have all this already, you know? But do I have Ariana Grande's products? No. Now, can it like really make me excited? Absolutely. Opening it up here, it says, where your beauty dreams become reality. Love that. I actually really love this saying. I'm gonna actually put this somewhere in here. This is really cute. It's definitely motivating as I drink my coffee in the morning. Here we go. We have the gray packaging. We have like that vibe. I mean, I really do like, you know, Ariana Grande is the queen of neutrals. I mean, if you guys follow her on Instagram, it's very neutral, very my tea for sure. But let's see if the makeup is like the same, because I really hope this makeup is stunning, because I really do want to buy from this brand. But let me tell you right now, this is going to be a hit or miss for me today. We have some very very small lashes here. These lashes are very tiny, you guys. I will never wear these. I'm gonna put it in the giveaway that I have on my video previous to this. So that would definitely go in there. Whoever wins that can definitely walk away with some R.E.M. Beauty false lashes. You guys know I don't wear small false lashes, so brands out there, if you're gonna send a drag queen and send someone like myself that literally has to hide behind lashes, do not send me something that looks like bottom lashes, girl, because it just does not work. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the palette, okay? So this is the R.E.M. palette. Very tiny. It looks almost like a little soapbox. Very tiny. As you guys can see, I can grip it with my hand. Let's see if it's gorge. I'm gonna go pull this out. I think my husband already went through this because I could see that he tried to shove it back in here. Okay. This is not the packaging that I expected. It's very space, very, like, this is crisp clean. I do think this is crisp clean. Now, the only thing that I'm worried about, you guys, here is it's very small. This is actually smaller than the Makeup by Mario palette. I think Makeup by Mario had literally the smallest palette I've ever seen, but the colors were great. I just feel like this is like tiny. My iPhone is bigger than this. You guys know when it comes to palettes, like, it doesn't have to be big. I really don't care about the size. I just care if it's sickening, it works, and it looks amazing on you. Because let me tell you something. If this sucks, something new and better is gonna come out anyway. So you guys, it's not the end of the world. So let's go ahead and open this up. Very neutral. Okay. Very neutral. I'm just like covering my face because I want you guys to see it. I feel like I'm missing like 4 more shades. I don't know. That's just kind of like what my eye would gravitate to. I feel like this is like half of like a Melt Cosmetic palette or like half of like an Urban Decay. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's half. You know, like, I feel like I wanted more here, like right here. I think it's cute. I'm not, you know what it is? I have a soft spot for really warm undertone nudes. So that's why I haven't really said anything about the shades yet. I mean, it's to the point, very wearable. I see a lot of young girls wearing these. I see a lot of young people wearing that because, you know, you might be scared of makeup. You don't want to be like, I'm wearing too much makeup, oh my god. So that this is the palette for you. Like, I think this is definitely down that lane. Now, if this is for me, not really. Let's just see if it works. So I'm gonna set that down. So next, you guys, we have a highlighter. I didn't see this in the paper. A highlighter. So this is a highlighter called, she has a lot of names on it and I don't even know what it is. Miss Mercury. That's the name on top. So, oh, I mean, the packaging is, it's really, really similar to the palette. Very cute, very clean, very crisp, love, love, love. Okay, oh, okay. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like a holiday kind of like highlighter. You know, it's not like, whoa, wow. You know, I feel like it should have been more like a planet. It should have had more like little specks in it or something. That's what I would have done. Let me just swatch it. Okay, very, very Laura Mercier highlighting. It's not like OMG, but I'm gonna, you know, let's see if I like it. Let's see if I want to play with it. Next, you guys, we have the Midnight, this is called Midnight Black Mascara. I do love the mascara packaging. It's very different, very vibe. Let me see, you guys, if the brush is gonna fit my eyes. If it doesn't, that sucks. Very standard brush, okay, very standard. Love that. I mean, it's a mascara. I wear false lashes, so you can't really sell me so much mascara because it's, you know, whatever. So I'm definitely gonna put this in the giveaway. If you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, go check my video prior to this. This one is Plumping Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is cute. We love a little plump moment. Yeah, I mean, it's standard. You guys know how I feel about packaging like this on my channel. I think it's very cheap. I don't think it's wow at all. I think it's very like just, you know, I bought like a lip gloss and got this for free with my Sephora points. You know, it's very bad. So I don't really wear plumping lip gloss, so I'm definitely gonna put this in the giveaway as well. And then last but not least, you guys, we have here the at the borderline eyeliner marker. Okay, let's see what this does. I'm definitely gonna keep this because I love me a little eyeliner. Yeah, very standard. You guys know I love House Labs, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna look flawless. Love that. Very black, very standard. I probably will be using that today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a little closer. And I'm just gonna buff this shade into my eyes and just kind of see where it goes. They didn't give me any lip products. Love that. They just want you to be gloss. Okay, so I'm gonna just get these shades into the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this shade here. Okay. I'm gonna do it quick, you guys, because it's just brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a floating crease, Oh, okay, yeah, I mean, I think it's really cute. I'm not like, wow, to be honest, you guys. You guys can definitely see my expression. I mean, my expression really does tell you everything. You guys know when I like something is when I kind of like scream and like, oh my God, it's just so pretty. But I feel like it's very like mom shadow. It's not like me at all. You guys know like I'm not scared to wear shadow, girl. But like for a normal like basic person, like this is definitely your lane. I can see this on someone like that. Not in a bad way, okay? I know that sounded kind of really fucked up, but like not in a bad way. He's like someone that's very plain and like, you know, don't want to do too much. I do like the colors together. I'm gonna make this eyeshadow very interesting. Let's make the best of this palette. So I'm gonna do like a very like spotlighty moment. Now I want to test this light shade because I really need a light shade. Oh wow, okay, so that shade is really light. I like that already. Let me get that shade on. I do like this like vanilla brulee like kind of color because I'm very picky when it comes to like the light shades. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade. I'm just really using the two darkest shade in the palette and just get this shade here. So far, I'm not wow, you guys. Okay, so I made like a little moment. I'm gonna take this little tan color and just kind of like press right here to like transition that shade. Okay, that's really pretty, actually. Like, I actually really like what's going on right now. It's very soft, very like girl. That's actually kind of pretty. I'm not mad about it. Now let's go ahead and get that shade on the bottom. So as you guys see the light, I'm gonna bring the light down as well. I really wish there was like a black in this. Okay, can I confess, you guys? As I'm like getting this shade on, I actually really like these shades together. Like it's really soft, but also like wearable. So now let's go ahead and get that shade of white again. And now I want you guys to bring it like down. So this is like kind of like my cool way to kind of really make your eyes like super open. See that? I'm not mad about it, to be honest. I think it's definitely growing on me. Now, I want you guys to get the darker shade. And also, you guys, on my channel, I like to build eyes with just the palette because when a lot of beauty people, they tend to mix palettes a lot. I'm not saying that I don't, but I try my best to really use the palette that they release and just use it as one whole look. Why combine things with it and enhance the palette, you know? I think an eyeshadow palette should be so sickening that all you need to wear is that one. You guys get what I'm saying? Okay. So that's as pretty much dark as it's gonna get. Like, I don't think it's gonna get any darker. The shade's pretty dark as it is. I wanna do a cool liner today. I'm gonna do a half-half liner. So a half-half liner, you guys, is basically one liner that really stops in the middle and it kind of continues. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do that. So go ahead and bear with me. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. I'm just kind of building it. Okay, that's like my half liner. So half liner, you guys, it's okay to build. Now, I do like this liquid liner. I mean, it's pretty black. It's not like transferring. It dries pretty fast. It kind of reminds me of the House Labs. Come on, half liner. The liner is skipping just a little bit. See how it's skipping? Ugh, why is it skipping? You guys, I just opened this liner. Oh my God. Why is it skipping? No. I'm gonna have to use something else because I don't want to mess this up. I'm gonna use a gel because it's starting to skip and it's getting on my nerves. Wow, liner is a fail. I'm definitely not gonna use that one. Wow, that liner sucks. Okay, guys. Okay, so we have something. Yeah, that was like bad. Like this liner, like I totally, you guys saw it. It was so skippy. I don't even feel like there's anything in there. Okay. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna just pack a little bit more white on the bottom. I think it's really cute. Like, I really, really wish there was like a black, but I'm not totally mad at this. Yeah, so okay guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on and then do a little nude lip and I'll show you guys the final look. I am so in love. Okay, so I gotta say this, you guys. I felt kind of like ill about the eye, but I kind of like it. It's kind of like a vibe. I think the whole like all black and black hair kind of moment just really like put this whole look together. Like, this is something like I would actually wear to just go out with my friends. I'm like obsessed with this look. Like, you guys, I look as in the whole. Now let's go ahead and talk about the makeup. Let's just get into the makeup. I have a lot of negatives about this product line because it's not a wow factor. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not a wow factor. It's not something amazing and great and like, oh my God, I think you guys should buy it. But as I was looking at the price, you guys, and I mean, honestly, for the price, let me pull up the price here on my phone. As you guys can see here, they're literally priced okay. I mean, how come I didn't get the freaking lipstick? Like, I would have loved to have the lipstick. The liner fucking sucks. I think the liner's horrible. Like, don't buy the liner. I mean, honestly, right now, my favorite liners is One Size by Patrick Starr. Like, I don't think the liner worked. As you guys can see, like, it was definitely skipping on my eyes, and I just opened it. Ew, and the liner is $19. Oh, girl, no. No. The lashes are honestly cheap. Like, I think the lashes are so cheap for 16 freaking dollars. I would rather wear a MAC lash, to be honest. I just think the lash is so basic. Like, it's not something like, oh my god, you know? Like, I like things to be overly exaggerated and overly big and done. The mascara, honestly, is a lengthy mascara. Nothing new, nothing amazing. I don't think it's a big deal, to be honest. I don't think it's worth $15. I would have loved to try the plumping lip gloss, not the clear. And also, I would have loved to try the lustrous liquid eyeshadow. Like, I feel like that is bomb. Like, I would have loved to try it on a blue eye. I didn't get it. That's why I might buy it and just maybe see the white liner. I don't know. I definitely forgot about the highlighter because it didn't really stand out to me. It's not really like a wow. Like, I don't know. But to go back up to the eyeshadow palette, you guys, the eyeshadow palette is 24 bucks. I feel like 24 bucks is reasonable. I think it's a reasonable price for that palette. Now, do I think the palette is over the top? Like, wow? No. But do I think she's gonna sell out? Yes. It's Ariana Grande. I mean, everybody is obsessed with her. I can see this is just like a hype brand versus you know, like a brand that you want to stay loyal to and purchase more products from. Like, if she came out with foundations and concealer, I'd be terrified, to be honest. I wouldn't be like so like, oh my god, because I don't think Ariana Grande is like a makeup person. Yes, she does wear makeup. I'm not saying she doesn't. I'm just saying I don't think she knows enough about makeup. As you guys hear what I'm saying, I don't think she knows enough about makeup to sell makeup. Do you get what I'm saying? I would rather buy makeup from Manny MUA or someone that knows makeup versus Ari. It's like Britney Spears coming out with makeup. Like, I would never buy it. Like, I don't trust her when it comes to lipsticks and what she thinks is great. So that being said, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had so much fun. I love you guys so much, and I do read the comments. I do see it, and it does brighten up my day every single day when I drink my cup of coffee every day. It really does. Now, if you guys want to enter the big giveaway, please look at the video prior to this video. The instructions are very clear. I will probably, most likely, announce the winner next week. Other than that, you guys, love my hair extensions. Y'all already know this is my look for the few months, you guys. I'm literally gonna be in hair extensions. If you guys want to know who did my hair extension, go over to my Instagram. Her name is Maribel, and check her out. She's phenomenal. I'm gonna be tagging her a lot. I love y'all. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and I will see you guys very soon.